Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to delete a Google Analytics property. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to analytics.google.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you have problems with this, you can always go to our YouTube channel to see how you can do this. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us. In the top left corner, as you can see, we have the Home, Reports, Explore, and Advertising. And we also have the Admin panel in the bottom left corner. And in the top right corner, guys, we also have some more stuff about your profile. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete a Google Analytics property. First of all, what you need to actually go and do is sign into Google Analytics. Of course, you need to go and sign into this profile here. Then click Admin. So basically, as we said, in the top left, bottom left corner, we have the admin panel. Click on there and navigate to the property that you want to delete. So the properties are here, as you can see. You have property details and everything. You have property settings. You just need to go and find the property that you want to delete. Then in the property column, click property settings and click move to trash. Then after moving to trash, on the confirmation screen, click move property to trash and voila, you have your property deleted. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.